Magnetic field is present, charge is moving, so force must act right, wrong. Today I will show you one dangerous JEE level trap where magnetic force becomes zero, even though everything looks perfect. A vertical current carrying solenoid is placed, a charged particle of mass m and charge q is released from rest along its axis. If g is the acceleration due to gravity, what will be the accelerations of the particles? We have the options. Pause and think. First, understand the setup. Solenoid is vertical here. Magnetic field inside the solenoid is along its axis. That means the magnetic field is vertical, means either the up or down. Now, particle is released from rest. So, of course, its initial velocity will be 0. But only force acting, that is the gravity here. So, particle starts moving downward. Now, important questions. Is magnetic force exist? For finding out the magnetic force, we will use the magnetic force formula, that is F vector is equal to Q, that is charge here, times velocity into magnetic field. So we know that initial velocity is 0. So when we will substitute the velocity as 0, so we will get the magnetic force will also be 0 here. Why? Because velocity direction is vertical, so magnetic field direction will also be vertical. So V is parallel to B here. So we know that if V is parallel to B, an angle between them is 0 degree. So the magnetic force will also be 0 here. This is the main trick. Even though magnetic field exists, it does not affect the particle. So here only force acting, that is the mg here. So the net force will be equal to mg, of course, by using the Newton's second law. So we can find out the accelerations will be equal to force divided by mass of the body. And we know that force is nothing, that is mass times acceleration due to gravity divided by m. So m and m will be cancelled. So basically we will have the value of a, that is equal to g here. That is our correct answers for option number 1. See how dangerous this question is. Magnetic field is present but still no magnetic force. In JEE concept, clarity beats formula memorization. So if you want more JEE physics tricks questions like this, subscribe now and comment magnetism below. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep smiling.